Can you cook? It may seem simple and obvious. We all need to eat, so we should all know how to prepare our meals. But it might come as a surprise the amount of people that cannot even boil an egg. What does this lack of know-how in the kitchen lead to? Well, what happens is these people live on a base of pre-prepared and poor quality food, and of course, this has a huge impact on their health. We would have to say that this may have its origins in childhood. If a person has never been set a good example by their parents or even their grandparents, they are far more likely to follow a similar pattern and not give the same importance to cooking or eating as healthily as they should. All of this causes an increase in obesity and other health problems.